Hi guys, Dr. Brown here. Let's talk about the immune system. It is hot topic right now. Hot topic is virus dodging, but not just about, as nice as it is to dodge viruses, let's talk about ways that we can strengthen our immune system, which is our body's #1 natural defense against not just COVID-19, but all the viruses that are out there, plus all the bacteria, plus all the fungus. So let's talk about how we can do it naturally and most effectively. I'd like to do a series of talks. Today we'll talk about probiotics and probiotics' role in the immune system and how it can help. Probiotics have been shown, there was a 2016 study that showed probiotics can help the body's immune system make and release cytokines, which are anti-inflammatory proteins that the body makes and releases and uses as part of its immune system. And it also helps regulate white blood cells. So that's just one of the ways that probiotics helps our immune system strengthen and combat infections and diseases. Probiotics are bacteria that are beneficial for our gut and our body. So we have good and bad bacteria in and around us. We call it good and bad because it's good if it helps us and it's bad if it makes us sick. So probiotics are a form of good bacteria that help us, and we need lots of that in our stomach. We already have lots of it in our stomach, but we want even more. The more we get, the healthier it is to a point. So probiotics can be found, you can either have it as supplements at say a chemist or a health shop, or you can have it in food, fermented vegetables for example. You can buy them at the supermarket, or you can make your own. So all of that good bacteria in the gut is fantastic for not just immune system, but also other things, including blood pressure. It's been shown to potentially help regulate blood pressure and blood insulin levels. It helps improve the sensitivity for blood insulin, good for especially type 2 diabetes patients out there or people out there. It also helps with gut health, so improving obviously the gut and microbiome, so the bacteria regulation within the gut. It's also an anti-inflammatory, so it is a way to help the body regulate its inflammation levels. And it's fantastic for the brain on multiple levels, including potentially reducing anxiety and stress, potentially reducing cognitive diseases and problems like depression and obsessive compulsive disorders and things like that. So it is a way to help combat stress, uplift moods, improve and reduce signs and symptoms of depression, as well as it helps with our nutrient level. It helps break down certain proteins and foods that our normal stomach cells can't, and it can even make some of its own, makes a little bit of vitamin B and B12 in particular, which is kind of cool. We need that. So good bacteria is there to help us. We actually have, in terms of numbers, we have more bacteria cells in our body than human cells. By the numbers, we're more bacteria than human. So we definitely want a symbiotic relationship with the bacteria. We want lots of good, healthy bacteria. Probiotics are for almost everybody. Everybody has bacteria in the body, and almost everybody will benefit from getting more. So if you want to have a chat about that, I'd love to come in and chat with us. We'll talk more about probiotics and where you can find them and how you can consume them and what other benefits there are. And in the meantime, stay healthy. See you soon.